Hi friends, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Nikki. Consider subscribing. I'll put a video on the screen showing you how to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any Ipsy uploads because I do them monthly here on my channel. If you're new around here, I've been doing these videos for like 4 or 5 years. I pay for Ipsy with my own money. I get all 3 bags, but caveat friends, this will be the first month ever that Ipsy will have me on their PR list. So make sure you subscribe because I'm going to do a video comparing what they send people on PR to what people pay. Because I pay for all 3 with my own money, but this is the first month ever in like 5 years that I'm getting a free PR box. So come on back because I'm really curious to see. A couple of you have told me that some people do these videos already and they're basically equivalent, but I'm curious to see for myself. But today we're talking about the October $12 bag. I have 2 other channels if you're interested. I have a vlog channel, which if you're new around here, a lot of you always want to see the bump. Here we go. Let me bend past the mic. 8-month bump video, bump date. So if you're into vlogs, I'll probably post like all my mommy, new mom, first time mom stuff there, travel vlogs. I really want to get that channel to 1,000 subscribers. So if you like vlogs, link down below. I also have a reselling channel. I've been reselling for a decade and I made a channel and it's really taking off, all about my part-time job. So link to those down below. Let us jump in. If you are new around here, the $12 bag is $12 a month. You get 5 items. The first thing I'm seeing is the Air Repair skincare. You guys know how I feel about skincare. Some of you get so mad that I complain so much, but I'm just sick of them sending me skincare. Anyways, the Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. I have started to become a fan of eye creams though, because my under eyes are starting to get really dry. I don't know if it's pregnancy or what, but I've noticed my under eye area seems like it's dehydrated, so I will give that a try. I've never heard of that brand, but that's one of the things I like about subscription boxes is sometimes they introduce me to brands that I like fall in love with, so I will give it a try. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm just realizing that this is the ultimate bag. I am becoming dumber and dumber by the goddamn second. I'm sorry, I try not to cuss on this channel, but pregnancy brain literally has me losing my mind. Okay, let us start over with the glam bag, not the ultimate. That's a separate video, Nikki. Oh, friends, hang on. Jesus, man. I just can't pull it together. I had a doctor's appointment today, and I'm like, oh, I'm here for my 33-week appointment, and they're like, you were supposed to be here an hour ago. And I was like, great. I thought she was gonna say, well, you can go home. We can't see you, but they were nice. They still saw me, but you guys, I would like lose my breast if they weren't attached to me. Let us start over. Okay, first of all, the bag is cute. It's like a black faux leather bag and it has lipsticks and lips and everything. That's really cute. I don't know. I either love these bags or I can't stand them. That bag is really cute. I still use bags that I received from Ipsy like 3 years ago. That's how I really like some of them, but some of them are like, okay, this is the $12 bag. Rock with me, friends. I'm going to stay on track. Next up from Balm Cosmetics, the Will Powder Blush and Stamina. Praise Jesus, they're actually sending like face products that will look good on my skin tone. That looks like a really pretty color that would actually show up on my brown skin. Are they actually looking at my profile? I think we're getting somewhere, friends. Next up is the SL Miss Glam Round Blusher Brush. It's a really cute brush, but I told you guys I prefer to have like a darker bristle brush just because it psychs me into thinking that the brush isn't dirty, even though whether it's colored or not, it's still dirty, and I probably should use things that are lighter colored so then I would know to wash my brushes sooner, but I like the glitter. It's cute. I'll use it. I need new brushes all the time, so I just throw out about like 50 makeup brushes that I've had for over 5 years, so I'll take that. Next up, Oriza, the Astral Amethyst Shimmer Eyeshadow. This was one of the options as a pick, and I didn't pick it, but I'll take it because it has my favorite color. It has two of my favorite colors, which are purple. There's like a deep plum and more of a mauve kind of purple, and then two shimmer shades. So I will take that. And then I picked this item because I lost all of my highlighters. When I moved recently, like 3 months ago, I packed them in a box and I can't find them. I had like 20 highlighters. I can't find them. I don't understand it. I'm starting to wonder if like the movers stole it, but I'm like, why would they just steal a box of highlighters? I don't know. So I picked this Ophir Cosmetics highlighter in Blissful. This is gonna look ashy as hell on my skin tone, but I'm hoping I can make it work because I don't want to start buying more highlighters and then you know how like things will just pop up, and also because I'm just like a bumbling idiot right now, I'm like, maybe that box is just somewhere and you forgot it. So we'll see. I'll try to make this highlighter work. And then the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. I told you guys when I saw the options for this month, I have never, in 5 years of having Ipsy, BoxyCharm, I've never received Bobbi Brown in any of those. So I was excited because I love Bobbi Brown. I read her, like one of her first books she released. I love her products. So this is the Bobbi Brown Cosmetics Vitamin Enriched Face Base. I'm definitely going to try this because I'm a huge fan of Bobbi Brown. I feel like Bobbi Brown Cosmetics isn't talked about as much here on this channel, on YouTube. And I don't talk about it a lot, and I don't know why, because I really like Bobbi Brown Cosmetics. So I'm excited to try that. You guys, this is a pretty good bag. This might be one of the best $12 bags I've received in like a year. Because Ipsy has been letting me down. Honestly, I told you guys this. I don't know how the hell I got on their PR list based on the videos I do. I'm brutally honest with you guys. I tell you when I like something and when I don't. I don't care if it's PR or not. And I feel like I've been trashing Ipsy for years. I mean, obviously I say some good things, but I mean, I've not been really happy with them for a while. And this is a damn good bag. Like, this is the first bag that I will use every single product in this bag. And I honestly think this is worth 12 bucks. Okay, Ipsy. We will see what happens in the PR box. I'm really excited. They sent me an email saying that it was coming. So I will keep you posted. Let's talk about some PR that I did receive. You guys know I'm a huge fan of Clarins. I feel like this is another brand that's very underrated here on YouTube. I will show you close-ups of these. I've actually used a lot of these before. The Extra Firming Wrinkle Control Cream, you guys. It is one of my favorite moisturizers, and it's pricey, but it is so worth it, and I feel like it's so underrated. I gave one to my mom. She loves it. When you use this, I use it at night. And in the morning, I feel like my skin is like taut. Like literally like someone pulling my skin back. It is so good. I love it, you guys. I will link it down below. It's just really good. And then the double serum of theirs has been around for a long, long time. This stuff is awesome. It really helped to, I was gonna say dissipate, but it helped because I have a lot of acne scarring, and I feel like it helped hydrate that area so my acne scarring didn't look as severe. It's really good. It's anti-aging, but you guys, I started using anti-aging stuff when I was like 20 years old. I love anti-aging products. So I will leave a link to those down below. I don't know why Clarins is so, like the only person that I've seen do a full review on Clarins, I think was Jessica Braun. But yeah, I don't know why more people don't talk about it. I feel like because it's probably a more mature brand. It's been around for a while, but I love their stuff, their skincare specifically. So I will leave a link to those down below. Don't forget to subscribe because we are going to do the Ipsy PR unboxing. I'm really excited for that. You can check out my other Ipsy videos right here.